So good evening my dear student, myself Dr Apil. Today also I am going to solve some numerical problem which are related to set theory. Okay, so hope this video also will be helpful for the student. A equal to B or not? Yes, they provide the sets A and B, just we need to mention whether they are equal or not. Yes, students, do you know when two sets are equal? Yes, two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly same number of element as well as same elements. Yes, then the sets is said to be equal. For example, suppose if we consider this set, suppose A, B, C. Yes, another set if we consider here, suppose B, C and A. Here you see how many elements are there in the first sets. Here there are 3 elements are there. Here also you see there are 3 elements are here. That means the number of elements are same, as well as you see the elements are also same. Here you see here A is an element, here A is an element, here A is an element. Here you see here B is an element, here B is an element. Here also you see C is an element, here also C is an element, right? That means you see number of elements as well as the elements are same. That means these two sets now here equal. Check whether this first this A and B are equal or not. Here you see this A and B. Here you see A is an element, here A is an element. Yes, and also you see B is an element, here also B is an element. Here you see C is an element, here C is an element. D also is the element of A and B. Here you see the number of elements in A is 4, as well as the number of elements in B is also 4, and the elements are also same. Yes, that means these two are equal. So the first term, this A equal to B here. Yes, this the first one, they are equal. Yes, now come to second one. Here you see in the second one you see how many elements are there. There are 4 elements. Here also the 4 elements are there, but are they equal? Are the elements are same also? Here you see here 12 is an element in this set A, but here there is no 12. That means they are not equal. Yes, because देखो इसमें 12 है but there is no 12. That means the elements are not same here. That means these two is not equal. Yes, now come to the question number 3. Here you see A. Here A is contain these elements here, and the B provide this set builder form. So first of all you write this set into a roster form. Here you see x is a positive even integer and less than equal to 10. Positive even integer which is less than equal to 10. That means the elements will be this one. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yes, these are the elements of this set, this B. Now check whether these two are equal. Yes, you see here how many elements are there. There are 5 elements. Here also the 5 elements are here. You see 2 here, 2 also here, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8 and 10, 10. That means the elements are same as well as number of elements are also same. That means these two are equal. Yes, and the third one, this A is equal to B. And the fourth one you see here, fourth x is a multiple of 10, and here you see some B set is given, this one. Now are they equal or not? Here you see in this set B, here 15 is 25 and 35. This type of elements will be also there, and which are not the multiple of 10. That means ये जो 15 है, 25 है, 35 है, these elements ए सेट में नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि ए सेट में तो ओनली क्या होगा, द मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 कंसिस्ट करेगा. दैट मीन्स 10, 20, 30 or 40 like this. Okay, so that means these two are not always, these two are not equal. Yes, that means these two are not equal. The question number 5 you see, are the following pair of sets equal? Give region. Yes, just we need to put some reason also, and we need to check whether they are equal or not. Here you see In the first set here you see 2, 3 are the elements. There are these two elements. And here you see B. Here x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So the B set consists all those values of x which satisfies these equations. Yes, now you solve this equation first. Yes, if we solve this equation, then we can write like this way. Yes, just I am trying to factorize this thing. So this will be x plus 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. So from here x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So from here x will be minus of 2 and here x equal to minus of 3. That means minus 2 and minus 3, these are the solutions of this equation. That means this set B set will contain this one, minus 2 and minus 3. Now you check whether these two are equal. No, because you see this here 2 and 3 are the elements here, but here you see minus 2 minus 3, they are this thing, they are not same. That means these sets are not equal. Yes, the first one is not equal here. Yes guys, so I hope there is no doubt here. Now you see the second one here, you see x is a letter in the word flow. Yes, flow. That means what will be the set A here? In the second one, what will be the set of A here? Just collection of all the letters from here. So F, O, L and W. Yes, so this will be sets here. And here you see B set. What is the B set? This is also here, this is the set where y is a letter in the word this one. So from here just you collect all the letters. So first of all W, O, L and F. Yes, so these are the sets. Now you check whether they are equal or not. Here you see how many elements are there. There are 4 elements, here also 4 elements, and here you see F is also there, O is there, L is here, so W is also here. Yes, you see that means the elements as well as number of elements are same. That means this is equal. Yes, these two sets are equal. Yes, now come to the question number 6 here. From the sets given below, select the equal sets. They provide some sets here, just we need to select the equal sets. So which are the equal? These are the equal here, you see, just you consider A. Here you see 2, 4, 8, 12. So is there is any set which contain 2, 4, 8, 12? 2, 4, 8, 12. No, there is no such type of sets are there which consist here 2, 4, 8. Here you see 4, 8 is here, 4, 8 is here, but 12 is also here, but here you see 14 here, 14 is not here. So these are not equal. So these two are not equal. But you see here B and D, they will be equal because you see 1, here also 1, here 3, here also 3, here also 2, here is 2, here 4, here 4. That means you see in the set B as well as D have same number of elements as well as elements are also same. That means this B is equal to D here. B is equal to D here. Now you search any other sets are there. Yes, you see here D, E and G, they are also equal because you see there are 2 elements, yes, contain here, and also here see minus 1, here also minus 1, here 1, here 1. That means the number of elements as well as the elements are also same. That means these two are also equal. So these two are equal. Now you see any other sets are there? No. Yes, so this is the sets which are equal. Yes, so hope all of you can solve this type of questions, guys. So bye bye, thank you.